Hi, Elistas. Okay, so I'm going to be going over how to do decimals, okay? I know that some of you guys are probably struggling with that. So I got a request from Miss Abby, so thank you. She said she wants help with 9 through 12 and 11, 9, 12, and 11 and 20, or 11 through 20. So I'll do as many as I can, okay? So we are on this week's or today's exit ticket. Looks like this. Okay. I'm gonna do number I'm gonna do number 12. Okay, so here's number 12. We've got 18,924 grams, and we are converting it into kilograms, okay? So, first thing I need to ask myself, am I multiplying or dividing? I'm going from grams to kilograms. Grams is smaller, kilograms is larger. So, if I'm going from small to big, I divide, okay? So I know that I am going to be doing division, okay? Now I need, second thing I need to figure out. Well, first thing, multiply or divide. And we figured out I'm going to be dividing, okay? Second thing I need to figure out, what numbers? What numbers am I using to divide? Well, I know one of my numbers is this, okay? I've already got one of my numbers listed. My second number that I have to figure out is how many grams go into a kilogram, okay? Now, I don't know that off the top of my head. So I'm gonna go to the cheat sheet. I'm gonna look down to where it says grams. Now it says 1 kilogram, right there at the bottom, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, okay? At the bottom of that quick reference page. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, I'm going to be dividing this by 1,000, okay? So now, if I were to divide this, I can do it like the long way. I can actually take 924 divided by 1,000. That's going to be pretty, you're going to get confused, okay? So we're not going to do it like that. And this is a 9, sorry, that's a 9. What I suggest doing is counting how many zeros there are, okay? There's 1, 2, 3 zeros, okay? Then you're gonna go to the end here. You're gonna count to the end of your next problem. You count 1, 2, 3. This is now going to become a decimal, and your answer is going to be 18.924. So how many kilograms, or 18,924 is 18.924 kilograms, okay? We're gonna do another one like that. So that one was number 12. Let's do number 14, okay? We're doing number 14 right now. we've got 39,917 millimeters equals how many centimeters, okay? Now, first thing I need to do, number one, am I going to multiply or divide? Okay, millimeters is smaller, centimeters is bigger. So I'm going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. And when I go from small to big or little to big, I divide. So, let's figure out step one. Step two, what numbers? What numbers am I dividing? Well, I know one of my numbers is right here. 39,917 divided by how many millimeters makes a centimeter, okay? If you don't remember that off the top of your head, go to your quick reference sheet, okay? How many millimeters equals a centimeter? It's the very first, so under metric lengths on your conversion sheet, it says 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. So the number here that I'm dividing it by is 10, okay? Now, just like what I did up here, I counted how many zeros there were, right? How many zeros are here? There is 1 0. So I'm gonna go to the end of my first number, and I'm gonna count one place. I'm gonna put a decimal right there. So my answer is 3991.7, 3,991 and 7/10. How many millimeters is how many centimeters that is? So 3,991.7. Okay. I can do another one for you, and I'll do it right here on this paper. Okay. So my next one is that I'm going to help you with is, let's do 20. I'm going to help you with number 20, okay? There's 20. We've got 38,464 milliliters equals how many liters? Okay. First thing I need to know, am I multiplying or dividing? I'm going from milliliters to liters. I'm going from smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger means that I divide. Okay. Now I need to know what numbers. What numbers am I dividing? I already know one of my numbers. I have to figure out the second number, okay? Sorry, this is kind of awkward because I'm writing on it. Sorry. Okay, what numbers? Divided by, well, how many milliliters makes up a liter? Okay, 1,000. Try to straighten that out a little bit. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. My decimal in my answer is gonna go right there. Okay, so it equals 38 decimal point 464. How many milliliters does it equal? So 3,000 or 38,464 milliliters equals 38.464 liters. Okay? Hopefully that helped you. If it doesn't help you, and you're still confused, email me, text me, say, hey, Ms. Hunsaker, I'd like to do a Google Meets and have you help me with that a little bit more. Okay?